Introducing the Kinetik Wellbeing Compressor Nebuliser, the NB-222C. This device has been designed to treat and alleviate the symptoms of respiratory disease such as asthma, COPD and cystic fibrosis. Step 1. Prepare. Wash your hands and dry completely. Assemble the nebulizer and fill the medicine cup to the correct level with medication. Step 2. Apply the mouthpiece. Attach the tube to either the mask or the mouthpiece. This is dependent on your preference. If you are using the mask, ensure this is tight over the mouth. If you are using the mouthpiece, place between the teeth and close your lips around it. Step 3. Turn on. Relax and inhale medication slowly and deeply until the medication has finished. Step 4. Clean. Once the treatment has finished, turn off the device. Ensure to wash the nebulizer accessories after each use, dry immediately afterwards.